Assalamu alaikum students. Now it's time to recall the past perfect continuous tense. As we have learnt that in present perfect continuous tense we use have been, has been plus ing form and since and for. And same case with the past perfect continuous, we use had been plus ing form, and after that we use for and since according to the sentence. If there is time of period, if there is period of time we use for, and if there is point of time we use since. जब हमें एग्जैक्ट टाइम का पता होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है सिंस यस्टरडे, सिंस इवनिंग, सिंस मिडनाइट, सिंस नून, तो फिर हमने क्या यूज़ करना है, सिंस. जब पीरियड ऑफ टाइम होगा फिर हमने यूज़ करना है फॉर, जैसे फॉर 2 years, फॉर 10 years, ओके, फॉर द लास्ट 30 minutes. तो ये आपने ये बात याद रखनी है. परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंसेस की पहचान है कि इसमें सिंस और फॉर यूज़ होता है, यानी इसमें टाइम आ जाता है. टाइम आ जाता है तो इसका मतलब है ये perfect continuous tense है. So let's have a look on it. This is Skylab book 8, page number 121. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about something which had been in progress of the past time, and there is mention of the point of time or period of time. Point of time, period of time. Point of time we use for, period of time, sorry, point of time we use since, and period of time we use for. Like we have the formation for the past perfect continuous tense had been plus ing form means present participle, and after that since and for. Here is the example. वो 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहे थे. दे हैव बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 1 hour. वो शाम से ड्राइंग कर रही थी. शी हैज़ बीन ड्राइंग सिंस इवनिंग. So there are rules. You should have to learn all the rules by heart, and after that you will practice of these sentences. There are some negative sentences. Let's have a look on it. जमीला 6 दिनों से बात नहीं कर रही थी. जमीला had not been talking for 6 days. So here are some interrogative, like there is an example. क्या 1 घंटे से आंधी चल रही थी. Had a gale been blowing for 1 hour. So there are some exercises you should have to solve it on book, and after that you will translate these activities on your notebooks. And there are the hints of the past perfect continuous. Had been plus present participle means ing form and since and for. Let's have to translate a one sentence. Like वो इतवार से अपना सबक याद कर रही थी. सबक याद कर रही थी. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है तो यहाँ पे हम सिंस लगाएंगे. शी हैड बीन लर्निंग हर लेसन सिंस संडे. ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक और है. गधा 1 घंटे से नहीं बोल रहा था. लाइक डोंकी हैड नॉट बीन ब्रेइंग फॉर 1 hour. ओके, ब्रेइंग BRAYING ब्रेइंग कहते हैं जो गधा बोलता है ना उसकी साउंड को, इसलिए गधा 1 घंटे से नहीं बोल रहा है, नेगेटिव है. तो हम इसकी ट्रांसलेशन ऐसे करेंगे. द डोंकी हैड नॉट बीन ब्रेइंग फॉर 1 hour. Clear? You should have to translate all the sentences on your notebook, and there are some hints of, and we can say that the vocabulary words for you. So this is your past perfect continuous. Had been plus ing form, and after that you use since and for. If there is point of time you use since, and if there is period of time you use for. Allah Hafiz.